Today we unbox the PS5. How big is it compared to the older PlayStations? And we'll take a look at the performance with some speed tests. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Power Up. If this is your first time here and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, reviews and comparisons, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss anything. I put timestamps in the description if there are any parts in particular you want to jump straight to. So it's been some time now. I hope you guys have been keeping well and staying safe. It has been super busy, but hopefully that's all over now. So anyway, the PS5 that I pre-ordered back in September 2020. It's here! But first, let's take a very quick look at updates and news. So during the last couple of months, before I received the PS5, I was having the occasional browse on eBay. And I have to say, I did get tempted by one very reasonable offer. Okay, and in other news, PlayStation have announced that there will be a new PS VR headset coming out for the PlayStation 5. This is pretty exciting news after PlayStation CEO Jim Ryan had previously said that VR won't be a meaningful part of gaming for years. He went on to say that PlayStation believes in VR, Sony believes in VR, and we definitely believe at some point in the future VR will represent a meaningful component of interactive entertainment. Will it be this year? No. Will it be next year? No. But will it come at some stage? We believe that. Could this mean a new PSVR headset will be coming in 2022? PlayStation have unveiled the new controller for the new PSVR 2, saying that it will build upon the innovation we introduced with the DualSense wireless controller, which changed how games feel on the PlayStation 5. So adding more realism and resistance to the controllers, for example, when pressing down the trigger in a first-person shooter. In other news, there was a much-rumored Apple event for March expected to announce new product releases such as new iPads, AirPods and AirTags. This hasn't happened yet, but there may be something coming in April. They did, however, announce the WWDC event, which will be taking place from June 7th to June 11th to showcase iOS 15, iPad OS 15, Mac OS 12, Watch OS 8, and TV OS 15. Okay, back to the PS5. So, without further ado, let's get unboxing.
Okay, so here is the PS5, and the box is actually quite big. So let's get this open. Okay, so first off we've got some instruction manuals and booklets. We got the standard power cable, the same as the PS4. So let's take a quick look at the controller. It does have a similar design to the PS4 controller, but it does feel really nice. I can't wait to test those triggers as well. So, is there a secret compartment under here? Yep, there it is. And here we have the stand that allows you to place the PlayStation horizontally. Next we have a HDMI cable. And we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, which could be used to charge your controllers. So let's get the PlayStation out. Okay, my initial thoughts are this is the biggest PlayStation I have ever seen. It is really big. So I'll put it on the side. We can see that there are some ports here. Turn it around, and another couple with the power button and the eject button. The design is actually really nice, and I think it's a lot nicer than the Xbox Series X. So let's have a look on the side. Let's take a closer look at the ports. So we have two USB-A ports, a network port, a HDMI port, and a power port. On the other side, we have a USB-C port and a USB-A port, along with the eject button and the power button. And I'm always a bit nervous with new controllers, but the look and feel of this controller is actually really nice. I don't know if you can call it an Easter egg, but if you look really closely, you can actually see some patterns of the PS button symbols, but you have to look really closely. So next I wanted to see how does it compare to the other sizes of the PlayStations. And as you can see, it towers over the rest. It is so much bigger than the PS4.
So I wanted to test the PS5's install speed when updating a PS5 game that I mentioned in a previous video, which I'll link to up here. And when I tested it on the Fortnite Season 6 update, the install did happen in super quick time. The next thing I wanted to do were some comparisons between the load speed of games on the PS5 versus the PS4. So first off, we have Fortnite. Keep in mind that with Fortnite, the load speeds also depends on the internet speeds and the connection to the Fortnite servers and so on. The PS5 was able to get from the home screen to the lobby in just 38 seconds. And the PS4 did it in 1 minute and 36 seconds, which is almost 1 whole minute slower. Next, we have Spider-Man, where I wanted to see how long it would take to load and also be in-game. The PS5 was able to do this in an insane 11 seconds. And I mean insane 11 seconds, whereas the PS4 did it in 1 minute and 53 seconds. Finally, I wanted to do a quick test to see how long would it take for the PS5 to load a PS4 game versus how long it would take to load the same PS4 game on the PS4. So we have Ghost of Tsushima loading up. The PS5 took 1 minute and 9 seconds compared to a slightly faster PS4 of 1 minute and 7 seconds. Okay, so a final thing I wanted to mention is that if you do have a lot of PS4 games, it might be worth getting an external hard drive to install them on. You could save the PS5's SSD for the PS5 games. There is an option on the PS5 to have all PS4 games automatically be installed on the external hard drive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. It really does mean a lot to me. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Peace.